Uno Triple Play Stealth, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno Triple Play, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. For Stealth mode, slide the button to Stealth. For Stealth Timer mode, which combines the rules of the two modes together, you will also need to turn the timer switch on. In Stealth mode, the card counter lights do not change color to indicate whether a pile is about to overload. The Wild Giveaway card has been replaced with Wild All-Tap. When played, beginning with the next player and proceeding in the current order of play, all players take turns pressing a lit-up pile until one player overloads. That player draws the indicated number of cards, and play continues with the player after the one who overloaded. At the end of the game, the Wild All-Tap is worth 50 points.